Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to permanently delete files on Google TV.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
So, let's get started. Now, to permanently delete files, you need a file manager. In my opinion, you could use the File Manager Plus app because of its very simple layout and categories of a design. Actually, you can use other file managers as well, depending on what your preference is. So, click on it to launch. And now when you're in your file manager, you could look at a storage analysis that File Manager has. The File Manager Plus app gives you this feature where you could do a storage analysis and analyze duplicate files, analyze unused files, analyze the data you have available on your Google TV. Now, if there's something you do not want from the pack, you could easily permanently delete it from here. Alternatively, you could do that specifically one by one. So if you have maybe on the downloads folder a bunch of APKs which you have already downloaded, I don't need these APK files anymore because they are blocking storage. This is very common on most Google TV devices, and it's very important that you clear this because the Google TV has just so much space and every bit of storage is necessary and important to keep free. So you could just click on the file, click and hold, that is, and then on the bottom panel, navigate to delete, click on delete, and you're asked if you want to move it to the recycle bin. Now, the trick is you have to click on this toggle right here, toggle it on, and then click OK. This is going to permanently delete the file. But as you can see, if you leave the toggle on, rather off, if you do not toggle it on, and you click on OK, it's going to send it to the recycle bin. So I'll show you the two scenarios. The first scenario, I'm going to click on permanently delete. So it is on. When I delete this Zato Player APK, it is going to permanently delete and I'll not be able to find it in my recycle bin. So if I go up to the sandwich bar menu above and I come back over to recycle bin and click on it, recycle bin is empty. However, if I go back and I try again on another application like the VLC APK, these are all APK files. They're just like normal files on the device. They're not apps. They're just APKs. They have no use to me, so I'm deleting them. So this VLC APK, if I want to download this if I want to uninstall this setup file, I could just click on delete. Rather, delete, not uninstall. So if I want to delete it, I'll click on delete. This is the second method. Last time I clicked on permanently delete. This time I will not click on it. So if I just click on OK, it has actually been recycled to the recycle bin. So if I go to the sandwich bar at the top left and I click on recycle bin, like I said, it's a 50 megabyte file there. So clicking on that will show me the file, and I could choose to empty recycle bin, or I could go to more. Clicking on more gives me the details of each particular application that's in there, and clicking on it gives me the option to permanently delete or to restore. So as you can see, if I just empty recycle bin, everything in the recycle bin will be cleared off and permanently deleted as well. So that's basically for this video. That's how to permanently delete files on Google TV. If you found that insightful, subscribe to the channel for more content like this.